Morning players, Tony here, and Drew. We made a decision this morning to drive up to Victory. We took the 50-minute drive up here, and we're teeing off before 7 a.m. We're on the second hole right now. Par 4, dog leg left. Got our approach shot coming. Got a couple of people ahead of us here. I think after this hole we're going to go ahead and jump ahead because they look like they're going pretty slow. So anyway, looks like a perfect day out, huh? Look at that, nice and overcast, no rain. Just perfect day up here in Nong Khai to play golf. We got the crew up there working on the tee box. There's my first shot. Oh, big par 5. Got a decent drive. I got a long ways to go. Okay. 11th hole par 5 on the green in regulation, laying 3, got a birdie putt. Drew hit his second shot over into the trees, so this is his lob onto the green, his third shot. Let's see how he does. Oh, I didn't hear trees. Oh, he's over here.
I'll be in the video.
No!
Triple bogey.
Yeah. I wasn't going to leave it short. Bar, brother. Get up there. Go, 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 go. Oh, okay.
Picked up, good shot, Tony.
Yeah, that's going to work. Oh, looks good. I like it.
Hold, hold, hold.
Oh. Good chip. Finishing up, having a beer before we hit the road. These tables, I feel like I'm a child. I mean, they look okay, but man, you sit in those chairs, you go way down, next thing you know, the freaking table's up to your chest. I feel like a kid at Thanksgiving sitting at the grown-up table here. It's an off day for me. Haven't done jack all day. Slept in a little bit, worked on the computer, did a little laundry. It's Ploy's day off, so she hasn't been around the last couple of days. You know, a little me time. I did miss her today, so I made a run over to her place. It's not far. It's like 8 minutes away. So went over and saw her this morning for a little bit. Checked in on her. She's doing good. She'll be back here tomorrow afternoon. So I'm just home, just chilling, you know. I just woke up from a nap. Life is good here. And I'm just collecting my... It's like when it rains, it pours, you know. My phone rings, and I wake up, and I'm like, the hell? It's Lazada. So I got some new golf towels in, because I've been using like the same two forever. So I got some golf towels. Now I got one clean one for every day that I go golfing. I don't have to worry about like using a dirty towel 2 days in a row now. And I got some of these, some Bridgestone balls. I've never bought bulk this many before. Usually I get like 2 at a time, you know, and then, but they're cheap. I forget what I paid for them. And I think they're just good secondhand balls. I got plenty of golf balls. I keep in my truck. I've got the new Shrixons. I like using the Shrixons. They're kind of soft. But these will go a long way here. These Bridgestone balls. They'll last me a long time. So I got those in. And, I spent some money. I did. And I ordered more stuff too. I can't quite remember what I ordered though. I got in a binge the other day. I just went online and bought a bunch of crap. I bought some reef sandals. So they just came. I'm kind of stoked about those. But check these out. These are reefs. These are kind of like what I had. Oh, they got a bottle opener on the bottom. Anyway, they're not cheap. These are kind of like what I had before that I left outside that massage parlor that somebody walked away with. You know, they left me their old shitty freaking 200 baht ones, and they took my $60 US reef sandals. So that's kind of what I paid for these, $60. But these are good quality. I think they came out of Bangkok. So, you know, you kind of... Anyway, I think I'm going to go downtown and head down and get a massage. It's not quite 12:30 yet. I got the whole day ahead of me. It's about lunchtime. That's it, man. I'm sitting here collecting my goods. What's Trix doing? Trix, what are you doing? Oh, she's over there eating her snack. Oh, you enjoying your snack? Yeah, so it's a lazy day. I got nothing planned today, nothing planned tomorrow. Saturday, it's going to be YO and I golfing in 2 days, so I'll be looking forward to that. Maybe I'll go to the driving range tomorrow a little bit, work on my swing. Yeah, I got a motorcycle taxi coming. I'm going to head down to Sasi. Nana is presently available. So we're going to go and get a massage. Looks like my Grab driver is coming from that direction. Nope, here he comes. I'm all confused. No, I was right. There he goes. Here he comes. Yeah, I thought he was coming from that way. Okay. Sorry, Cap. collision there. Oh, it's okay, I'm alright. Everybody okay? Yeah, you gotta keep your head on a swivel, man. Motorcycles. Even if you're on a motorcycle. Looking left at traffic, man. Watch that guy on your right. Okay, cup and cup. Here my girls. Swaddy Cup. Tao is her name. The pretty one with the glasses. She's always trying to get me to go back get an oil massage. When one of you guys come here and get an oil massage, let me know how it goes. There's a lady right here, look at that. So I got an alert on my phone today for my 90-day check-in. So it's not due. It's like 5 business days away. So I went ahead online and I filled out the application online. It took about freaking 2 minutes. We'll see how that goes. That gives me time. Usually it's like a 2 or a 3 business day turnaround for the online process. And if there's an issue, that still gives me a couple of days to get down to the immigration office and handle it in person before my 90-day check-in comes. Although it's been my experience here in Udon, because I've showed up late for my 90-day. Like one time, I was like a week late, 10 days, and they didn't even care. You know, my visa wasn't expired. Just my check-in was late, and it wasn't an issue at all. It didn't cost me any fines. They just processed it normally. Now, results may vary wherever you're at. The story here in Thailand is, each immigration office, each province, things vary a little bit. Even though it's all state-run, even though it is all nationally run, the rules kind of change, or they bend, or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it should be good. I'll let you guys know how it ends up.